prepare the ingredients. We start with the fruits. Here we have kedendong, apple, pineapple, and rambutan. You can also use other fruits if you like. It's optional. Then we move on to the seasonings. Here we have chili shrimp paste, salt, MSG, palm sugar, and sugar. Then we move on to the preparation process. First, peel all the fruits. After they are peeled, wash them thoroughly. Then cut all the fruits according to your preference. Second, we make the chili sauce. Add the chili salt, MSG, and shrimp paste. Then grind them until smooth. After that, add the palm sugar and grind again until well combined and smooth. Third, mix the chili sauce with water, then cook it until it boils. Then let it cool and mix the sauce with the sliced fruit. The fruit pickle is now ready. Don't just watch. Don't forget to try making it. See you next time. Bye.
Meanwhile,
Namanya tolong menolong.
Yang tu tolong apa? Jadid, bangunlah.